Europe's fragility passes also through its infrastructures. Take, for example, this bridge that crosses the Rhine and leads to Cologne in Germany. Truck drivers have to keep away from it for security reasons. A recent inspection detected hundreds of gaps in its structure. Built in 1965, from 2015, this bridge is closed to trucks heavier than 10 tons.
The closing of this bridge was a huge wake-up call for politicians. Since then, they are rethinking their way of refinancing and rebuilding the infrastructure. Now we have sufficient funds, but, well, it's quite late, and now we have a lot of construction sites, which even leads to more congestions on the road.
The closure of this bridge causes problems for the local economy and overstresses other bridges in the region. A new viaduct is expected to open by 2020. I used to take the motorway straight away, but now I have to do a big loop around, and I often find a lot of traffic, this truck driver says. Many structures built in Europe between the 60s and the 70s nowadays have stability problems. Partially, this is due to the lack of maintenance, but also because with the opening of the borders in the 90s, traffic increased and damaged those structures designed to support lower pressure. Structural deficits are also due to the old techniques used to build after the Second World War, as Professor De Roque explains.
There was a lot of construction going on in all European countries, and the control on the quality was not what it is nowadays. So it's indeed possible that inferior concrete was used.
Space provides help in monitoring infrastructures. Leonardo satellite allows to detect oscillations and changes thanks to sensors located inside the bridges.
In the ideal case, we have new structure and we immediately install sensors inside. For older bridges, of course, we miss a baseline. We miss the virgin state of the bridge, but still we can follow the evolution.
The collapse of a bridge in Genoa 1 month ago shows that it's time for Europe to invest in more efficient and new infrastructures.